Hey Sparky! Hey friends! Well, I am in FunFit land, and you know, it's one thing to be inside of all these beautiful immersive spaces that they create. To me, it's all art, so being inside of art is simply just magical. And there's another level to it, right? What could happen if you could actually feel being inside here? You know, they do a really good job with creating the vibrations in our controllers. But what if there's a way that we could actually feel it through our bodies? And so today, I have a video, I'm making a video right now for you guys, that I have a haptic vest on. And what is that? It basically is 6 different haptics around my body, around my torso, and I can actually feel the vibrations of this music even. Even our favorite FunFitland theme song here, I can feel it coming straight through my whole body. And the bass, everything is just vibrating away. So, what would happen if we dance with that on? Every hit, every beat, every target that we hit, we can feel straight through, including the beats of the music. And that creates a full immersive experience, friends. So let's try it. Every hit. And that's something magical.
Slip away into the shadow. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? There's a presence there. Eyes all shining. Is it something strange? Is it something strange?
you guys. It's pretty freaking magical. That's all I got to say about that. Feel the music, friends. Feel it.